I've got L'Oreal Color Rich lipstick in 165 Tickled Pink. I'm going to show you what this color looks like on. Smells like baby powder. It's really clean smelling. Goes on super smooth. It's a real super light baby type pink. It's real natural. It's kind of a shiny color if you ask me. Doesn't taste bad. L'Oreal. Color Rich 165 and Tickled Pink. It's a real natural color. It just enhances the color of your lips a little. And it's nice. Check that out at the store if you like this color. I like it. Yum. It's not a nasty tasting lipstick and it's smooth. It feels kind of moisturizing. Check out your L'Oreal counter at your local Walmart.